Under the section Courses, you can see your courses, My Courses section, which are the courses that are being created or being modified, as well as the content of the general courses of Dexway Content section. Under the section Shared Library is where the shared courses are contained. These courses are visible to all the users who have access to the authoring tool. For example, this could be useful if several people work in the same course, editors, reviewers, etc., since you could share that course and everyone could modify it. The most common way to start using the authoring tool is to create a new course, either from scratch or importing it from your platform. To create a new course from scratch, you will utilize the option New Course, which we will set the name or title of the course and the description, as well as the primary language, British or American English, French, German, etc. Perhaps another option, possibly more comfortable, is to create a new course from an already existing one. This way the course already has some lessons with exercises, videos, etc., and we can customize it in the way we want. Add or delete activities, modify them, expand content, etc. First, to do this, import a course that we have in our platform so that we will have it available in the authoring tool and we can modify it as we wish. For this, click the Tools option and select Import Course from LMS. All the courses will appear that was loaded in our platform or LMS. Then we can select the one we want, and after accepting, this course will be copied into the authoring tool. Another option is to copy the entire course directly from the tool. Under Dexway Content are the Dexway courses sorted by categories, which you can split to create new customizations. After accessing the course that we want to start with from the Tools option, you can select the Clone Course option, indicate the name of the new course, and accept. The new course will now show in the My Courses section.